I'm here is because of the OnePlus 5. There's nothing better, especially now with the dual lens, better cameras, clearer images. And I can't wait to get hold of it. I think I can just grab yours.
I like the design of it, and the camera is interesting as well, but the one thing that I really like about it is the brand. Trying to make really good phones for people, not just trying to make the best thing to make as much money as possible.
There are a lot of good specs in it.
Just like how quick it is and responsive.
8 gigabytes of RAM look quite impressive for the phone.
It's a very fast processor. I'm pretty much excited for that.
I love it. I love everything about it, and I just want to get it.
Waiting for OnePlus. Heard it's a good phone. All of my friends around has the previous phone, so I made my decision to buy the newest one.
They make great phones. They're powerful. They're good looking. They have great cameras, and that's why I like them.
Jeg elsker dash charge, for jeg hader at løbe tør for strøm.
Jamen, jeg synes det fedeste er RAM-kapaciteten, og jeg synes det er den hurtige opladning.
Ja, den er sexet.
各位嘉宾、加油和媒体朋友，欢迎大家来到1+7系列新品发布会的现场。我们的发布会将于1分钟后开始，请大家尽快就座，并将手机调至静音，谢谢。